Hello friends, I am going to start lectures on graph theory. There will be series of lectures on it. This is my first lecture. So in this lecture, we are going to learn the definition of graph, what are graphs, second what are simple graphs, and third is complete graphs. Okay. So first of all, we will see the definition of a graph. What is a graph? A graph is set of vertices denoted as V and edges denoted as E. Okay, and a map phi from E to V cross V. Okay, so what are edges and what are vertices? So the points, simply points, are known as vertices. If I will name it A, B, C, D, and if I will connect A, B, then this is known as an edge. Okay, so first connect all of them. So these are edges. Just name is E1, E2, E3, and E. Okay. So what is a graph? Here G we will denote it as V and E. So here V is set of vertices containing A, B, C, D. Okay, and E denotes the set of edges that contains E1, E2, E3, and E4. Okay. Now A and B are known as endpoint of edge E1. Okay, and similarly for as E2, B and C are endpoints. Now let's see the another example of a graph. Let's suppose this is a graph. Okay, this is edge E1, E2, E3, E2, E4, and E5. Okay, so here you can see the endpoints of E2 and E3, that are B and C, are same. So these are known as multiple edges. Okay, so this graph, if I will say graph G1, then G1 contains multiple edges. Okay, now let's see another example. This is a graph E2, E3, and E4. So here what happening is the endpoint of edge E4 is same, that is A. So that's why it will called a self loop. Okay, from here we are going to our second topic, that is simple graph. So what is a simple graph? A simple graph is that graph is a graph which does not contain any multiple edges and self loop. Multiple edges and self loop. Okay, so that is our simple graph. So we will see some example of simple graph. Like example is a simple triangle. This is a simple graph, a simple rectangle. This is a simple graph. So these are the example of simple graph. Okay. So now let's move on our last topic, today's last topic, that is complete graph. So what is a complete graph? Complete graphs are those simple graphs in which every pair of vertices contain an edge. Okay, so these are called complete graphs. So let's see an example of complete graph. Example, let's suppose here we have the vertices A, B, C, D, and we will connect like this. So here we can see if we will pick any two vertices or set of vertices, we will get an edge between them. Like this is an edge between A and C, this is an edge between A and B, this is an edge between A and D. And if we will pick up the pair B and D, there is an edge. If we will pick up a pair B and C, there is an edge. So every pair of vertices contain an edge. Okay, so these are known as simple complete graph. So remember this thing, complete graph are always simple graphs. Okay, so let's say for n equal to 1, that means vertices are 1, this just this point is a complete graph. Okay, normally notation for complete graph is kn. Okay, so here n denote the number of vertices. Okay, like if we will see uh, k2, k2 is what, just this is the complete graph. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.